This is mad. Right? Budgie's in the kitchen, and it was right out having a right old ding dong with itself, shouting out. And I was talking to it, and then it went quiet for a few seconds, and then there was a massive bang on the window. Can you see that big smudge? One of the pigeons just flew straight into the window. It's like, what? What did you think to that? Was that mad? It was, wasn't it? One of the pigeons just flew into the window. I think it was because you were talking too loud. And it come to tell you to shut up. Yeah? Eh? What you doing up there? Oh, I don't mind you playing with that. That was mad, mate. Why the hell would the pigeon fly straight into the window? Absolutely mad.